I bought the metro card. Now I'm going down. I put 5 manats for the fare, and cost of the metro card is 2 manats. So total 7 manats. In these countries, all these countries which were part of Soviet Union before, the metro station is very underground. Like you can see how deep it is. Bought the metro card. Cost of the card was 2 manat, and additional 5 manat I paid for this thing, for the transportation, etc. I'm using a metro to visit a village called Balaxani. Balaxani. It is pronounced as Balaxani. Video recording, I cannot do it properly because passengers are there. It is underground metro. Next station is mine. I will get down at the station, then I have to take a taxi. I don't know whether am I audible or not. The train makes hell lot of noise. My station is about to come. Then I have to take a taxi. It came out of the metro station. Took a taxi, Bolt taxi. Now going to a village called Balaxani. I saw on YouTube, it looks very beautiful, so I'm going in that direction. I hope he don't charge me anything extra. I saw the video on YouTube of that village, very beautiful village. So this is the first time that I am visiting some village. It looks beautiful. They all were part of Soviet Union, which is Russia now. All these countries give visa on arrival to us. Since I have a valid UAE resident visa. Now I will take a pause, and once I reach there I will make a video of that particular village. I hope I can visit that place which was shown in the video. Bye for now. I have reached in that village. Yes, I'm finding it same as I saw on YouTube. The streets. So I have reached. So, good.